I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon and mashed potatoes, only way. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees F, season the salmon, and start boiling potatoes. We'll walk through seasoning, cooking times, and a simple mash with butter and milk until fluffy. I'll share pan-searing tips for a crispy skin and how to time everything so both components finish together. Follow along step by step, ask questions in the comments, and enjoy cooking a comforting, balanced meal. Season the salmon simply with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon for bright flavor. I recommend olive oil and a light herb rub to complement the fish without overpowering it. You can pan-sear skin side down for 3 to 4 minutes, then finish in the oven for flaky results. I'll explain how to check doneness, rest the fillets, and keep the skin crispy while the potatoes cook. Stay close, and I'll guide you through every step. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: Darn Tough socks are ridiculously comfortable and come with a lifetime warranty, great for long kitchen sessions. I'll drop a link in the description so you can find them, see current prices, and unlock special offers without hunting. Thanks for supporting the channel and our small team. Now let's get back to the video. Choose Yukon Gold or Russet for creamy texture and quick mashing. Cut potatoes evenly, salt the water, and cook until a fork slides through easily. Drain, steam dry briefly, then mash with butter, warm milk, salt, and pepper for perfect creaminess. I'll show a fork mash and ricer option and how to adjust texture with hot liquid rather than cold. By the end, you'll have silky mashed potatoes that pair perfectly with the salmon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.